Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and in today's video we will take a look at and review the brand new TOZO NC20 Pros. Now these earbuds here, the one thing that really makes these things stand out is the interactive smart case. Now this allows me to just leave my phone in my pocket, leave it in a locker, leave it in a separate room. I'm able to change the song, I can hit play, I can hit pause, I'm able to change all of the settings, I can switch it if I want it to be active noise cancellation or anything like that. Right over here you can change the volume, so if you want it to be louder, as I am tapping on this little plus button here, you can see that it's going up on the phone. How you're able to swipe back a screen, you can do it on the left or on the right. You just basically swipe in. So with this case alone, without having to use your watch or phone or anything else, you'd be able to change noise cancellation if you want it to be pass through. You can change your equalizer. You can also have your sound mode. So if you want to turn on the spatial sound, you can. Also, you can find my earbuds. So if your earbuds are somewhere or maybe stuck in a couch, you'd be able to find them right here through your case. You could turn on the low latency mode, and then you also have settings. And then inside of settings, this is where you have your multi-point connection. You have the wearing detection, so it's able to pick up if it's in your ears or not. You also have LDAC, so it provides a higher definition audio. And then also you can change your wallpaper and the screen timeout. So if you want your wallpaper to look different on your case, you can. And you can also bring in your own custom image, which this was a picture that I took with my phone. I can use this as my wallpaper. And then anytime that you are done using this case, and if you just want it to kind of just shut off or go back to its lock screen, you just open and shut it. And there you can see that it's using my own personal wallpaper. Now, when it comes down to the comfortability, they're very comfortable in the ear, so I can wear these things for several hours and not get ear fatigue. Also, when it comes down to the sound, especially when it comes down to music, I love these ones for music because they sound really good. Again, very, very spatial. Really, you can just grab these ones, $150 ones, $200 ones, and they're all going to sound really good. Again, I just love the fact that I have the case, that I'm able to just interact with everything, all of the settings, the volume, I can answer calls, reject phone calls, change anything and everything I want to with these buds with a touchscreen case. And then when it comes down to the sound quality for phone calls, so I know on my end it sounds really good, and then on their end, I think that you can kind of tell that it's Bluetooth, but it's nothing bad. So I was in the Jeep, I was going like 60 miles an hour. It was super windy. I had the wind just hitting the Jeep. And if anybody knows who owns a Jeep, Jeeps are very loud. They were able to tell that I was using Bluetooth, but it wasn't horrible. I've had other earbuds where people were mentioning like, dude, are you on Bluetooth? I can barely hear you. And that did not happen with this. So I know it sounds good, but it may not be the best. So I would definitely probably give it like an 8 or 9 out of 10 for phone call quality on the other end. But when it comes down to listening to music, definitely a 10 out of 10. So now that we took a look at one of my favorite features, or probably the best feature of the NC20 Pros, is the touchscreen case. I do have to let you guys know, for transparency purposes, this is a paid review, but it's just the fee to be shown on this channel. And it still allows me to give you guys 100% my honest opinion, feedback, and details of the TOZO NC20 Pros. Now, if you are interested in these buds, I will be placing the link below the video inside the description, as well as the top pinned comment. So now let's take a look at the application that you will be using when you get this thing paired up and going through all of these settings and all of the fine tuning and the additional AI features. It's just an application. It is free on the Play Store as well as the App Store. It's called TOZO. Now, inside of here, the very first screen that you see, it's called Ear Tune. Now, what it does is you're able to do a hearing test. It's going to play all the highs and the lows and all the different beeps and the sounds. It's able to pick up what you can and can't hear. So this way you'd be able to have the best sounding experience of whatever you are listening to. Then when you go inside of the ANC, so this is your active noise cancellation. You can have noise cancellation on. You can also have transparency mode. You have leisure mode. You can just reduce the wind noise. You also have adaptive mode, so it's able to change, depending on, if it needs to be transparent or have noise cancellation with it. And then this is where you can also see the battery life of your left as well as the right. So they're both at 95%. Swiping over, this is your EQ. So this is where if you go inside of the EQ zone, this is where you can use other recommended EQs set up by other users. And there is one that I use, and it's this one right here. It's my favorite one. It's also the same one that I used on the other TOZO earbuds I got, which these are the ear rings. So if you want like over the ear earbuds, and they also sound really good. That's what I use there. So that was the TOZO ear ring, and that was the one I saved back then, and that's actually what I still use here with the NC20 Pros. And then if there's any of them that you have created, they would sit there. And then you also have your advanced EQ. So if you would like to fine tune everything yourself, you're able to just put this thing horizontally, and then you're able to create your own EQ. And then you also have sound effects. So if you don't really want to go off of something else that someone else has made, or create your own with your own advanced EQ, then you just go through the normal EQ zone, which is very simple. Everything that is created by them. And there's a lot that you can choose from. So if you want it to sound like standard, bass plus, there's your bass minus, you have your hip hop EQ, there's your pop, rock, vocal. If you want more treble, less treble, you have the blues, slow rock. If you're listening to podcasts, you can switch it over into podcast. If you're listening to country, switch it to country. And then if you like R&B, you can place it right there. So you have all the regular EQ presets that are sitting there. But the one that I like to use is one that was created inside of the EQ zone, and it's this one right here that I am currently using. And once you find it, you just tap on Use Now. Now, after EQ, this is where you have sound mode. So you can use music mode or spatial audio. Now, if you go through spatial audio, it just means that after you enable it, it might change and switch your EQ to standard. Now, all you would have to do is probably just go right on back to EQ, and you can always change it back if you would like. But this is where you can switch it from music mode as well as spatial audio. And then this is where you have some of the settings for the box. So right now, my wallpaper is a custom wallpaper. If I would like to switch it on back, so right now you can see this is my custom wallpaper. If I wanted to move back over into this one, now I just switched it. If I want it to be this one, and now it's switched over there. You can also change your screen brightness from low, medium, as well as high. So I just have mine set up to high. You have your screen timeout. You can have it like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So I have it as 10. I want it to be the lowest time, so this way it can just turn right back off. And you can also take a look at over-the-air updates. And then over here, this is going to be your settings for the buds. Now you can turn on low latency. I also turned on the wear detection. You also have dual device connection, which you can turn on. And then here's your LDAC. So this is a HD audio. Now, if you turn this one on, it'll turn off the dual device connection. So just as a heads up, but I am not really connected right now for dual devices. I'd rather have my HD audio turned on. Now this is the important part where you're able to find the earbuds. You can also do water drainage for earbuds. You can do like a volume balance. And then for the touch controls for this one, for the left as well as the right, this is where you're able to set it up. So for the one tap, which it says click, but it's technically just a tap, I have no effect for the one tap. Just in case if I have to just do a small little adjustment, I'm fine with it not just accidentally playing and pausing. So for the one tap or one click, I have it as no effect. Now, when it comes down to the double click or the double tap, I have it for play pause on the left as well as the right, because for me, it just makes sense. For triple clicking on the left, it'll go to the previous song. On the right, it's going to go to the next song. And then for the long press, it'll be volume down on the left, and on the right, it'll be volume up. And then down here also what you have is function sorting. So all these right here are functions. Your active noise cancellation, the EQ, the sound mode, the box, the settings. You can actually change how you want this to look. So right now it was that ear tune, then it went to the active noise cancellation, the EQ, sound mode, and box. So if there's any of these that are a little bit more important to you and you want it to be more on the left, then you just bring them right on up. So this right here was everything right there underneath home. This is all of the features. This is all of the settings for the box, for the buds, for everything, for the sound quality. Now, if you like to use some of the AI features, that is the very next tab here on the bottom. So you have home, you have AI, community, products, and then My TOZO, which this is just your account here. Now, underneath AI, this is where you have additional features. You have meeting recording. So this way, if you like to record a meeting, you just go there and you tap on record, and it's able to use the mics and everything here to record the meeting. You also have real-time translation and then also simultaneous interpretation and AI chat. So real-time translation, you're able to hold it to speak, and then it's able to go from English to another language. So whatever language you would like it to go into, then it would be able to translate it there for you. The other thing is simultaneous interpretation. So let's say down over here, we're going to go from English and let's put it into Spanish. So what I can do down here is I can just click here. Hey, what would you like to have for lunch? And then you're going to see that it'll pop it up right up over there. And then if you need to speak anymore, it's still just going to pick up everything that I'm stating. So it's just a simultaneous interpretation. Now, underneath all of these really cool AI tools, then you also have some tracks that you're able to listen to. So if you like to listen to some thunderstorm and light rain or something that's just rainy, here's all of the soothing tracks you can listen to. So forest, wind, and birds. You can head over into relax. You have hypnotic. You also have just absolute. And then as you scroll through, you're just able to just find something, hit play, and you're able to listen to that music. So maybe if you're writing a paper or you're getting ready to go to bed, you can use the AI features here to listen to some really cool tracks. Then you have community, which I don't really do anything here. This is just to share whatever you would like with anything with TOZO. And then this is all of their products. So if there's anything that's brand new or any type of sales, you can take a look at all their products right here. And then again, here is your account. But really everything that you're probably going to use on a daily basis is underneath home. This is all your features, your settings, your sound quality, the box, all of that stuff. It's all going to be right here underneath home. And then sometimes when you want to relax or write a paper, or even if you're inside of a meeting or something like that, then you have some of these AI tools sitting right over here. Now, getting a closer look at the buds, you can see that these ones here have a very short stem. I mean, it's kind of nice that you're not going to have them super long past your ears, hitting your neck or anything like that. So they have a very short stem when it comes down to the buds. So getting a closer look at the buds and the case itself, I'm just going to go over a few things that I didn't talk about just yet. So when it comes down to the hi-fi sound, so you have that immersive sound with the lossless audio quality. When you have this smart touchscreen charging case, this is again where you're able to adjust the EQ, the active noise cancellation, playback, and also even calls directly on the case here. Then you also have that TOZO bass plus acoustics and the spatial audio effect, which I showed you inside of the application here. So that's where you're able to get that rich bass and the immersive sound experience. You also have the adaptive and hybrid noise cancellation, which is up to 45 decibels. On here, there is actually some nano coating on here, which is able to give it the waterproof for sports and outdoor, which is rating it at IPX8. And then also it has a thing that is called Smart POW, which is the power management. So it's a effective chip to extend the playtime on the buds. In the box, you'll get your buds along with the charging case, also with your user manual, the quick guide, the charging cable, a business card with information, and extra tips. So that is everything I wanted to cover in today's video. Really, this is the main selling point here. If you're going to be buying these earbuds, it's probably because of this case and just the way that you're able to interact with everything, change all of the settings, and you don't have to have your watch or phone or anything with you. So this, again, this is a touchscreen charging case. Right now, it is charging my earbuds. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.